Hey guys, today let's try to fix the top part of our wallpaper being blurred on iOS 17. So if you guys are basically getting annoyed by this blur effect that is happening on every wallpaper that you try on the new iOS 17 softwares, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and fix this and basically put it back to normal. So guys, what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the settings application. Now from here, I want you to scroll down until you see the wallpaper. And once you're here, let's go ahead and click on the customize button on the wallpaper that you are trying to solve. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on the home screens over here. And what I want you to do is you will see this blur button over here at the bottom right hand corner. Now this should be enabled like this if you have some problems. But if you want to go ahead and disable this, just go ahead and tap it on once more and that should disable your issue. But in the case that you want to go ahead and remove the blur that is happening only on the top part of the photo, which actually goes the same, well, only for your home screen, well, there is currently no way to remove that since that is a feature built into all of the iOS 17 software. So it's not an issue that you are experiencing, but it's a feature that everybody which has the new iOS 17 software is currently experiencing. So that is what you guys need to know about this specific blur effect that is happening on the top part of the screens. It is an update on the new iOS 17 softwares, so the most that we can do now is just live with it because it actually helps with the screen visibility that is happening on the top part over here, especially when you're going through other applications and trying to use your home screen. It's going to give you more visibility on the top part, and that's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.